So what I'm doing, I'm taking like the month type. Okay, month. Just write inside of the month type. Control S save. Now you can see over here we can take only the month. Getting June, January, whatever we have. See, month type is done. Okay. After that we have what? The number type. Means it will be take only the number. Okay. Now see, let's go again back to our VS Code and just we are taking to the number type. Okay. Control S save. Go back again over here and you can see it is taking only the numbers. Getting? Even we have the over here also we can increase decrease also. See, over here we have the navigators. Okay, so this is we also can done that. Okay, after that numbers, let's take the password type. We already done the password type, right? So we need to go to the over here. Okay, and we are changing type to the password type. You can see password. Getting? Okay, control S save. Now check it back. When I'm trying to the write anything, you can see it's a hidden because why? It's a password type, right? Isn't it? So like that. Okay, but see, we are not changing the input type. We are only the changing which type of input I want to take. Getting? After that input type, radio button. Let's take the radio. I'm writing over here inside of the type what radio. Let's go over here radio. Okay, control S save. Now check back. Is it your radio? Right, radio button. Getting? After that radio, checkbox. Okay, let's check that. Okay, I'm putting over here checkbox. Control S save. Now we are going. See when we are clicking, is the checkbox like that. Okay. After that we are taking what? Range. Okay. Range means 1 to 100, right? Like that. So range. I want a range type of input. You can see, is it range? Isn't it? So see, range we can take. After that what? Reset. Okay. Now let me put it over here. Reset. Okay. Control S save. So what happen if suppose there is a by default someone people putting to the information and they want to reset anything. So we can click on the reset button and that everything will be the change. Okay. So reset type and after the search type is our search box type. Okay. So we are putting over here search. Okay. Control S save. Now check over here. This is the search type. Getting search box. So we can search that. You can see there is a cross also coming. This is the search engine. Getting? So like that. So this is the way we have. Okay, we have a more also submit. See, let's take the submit type. Okay, submit. Control S save. Now see, whenever people are clicking on over, that will be the submit. Okay. After what we have another tel. Tel means a telephone number, right? So let's took the over here tel telephone. Control S save. Okay. Now you can write again your telephone number, isn't it? So like that. It's a telephone number type. Okay. After that, text types we already done, right? Time also we many time done, right? So let's go to the time also. I want to put the time. I want to only take the time. You can see when you are going, just you need to click over here the clock and which time you want to select, you can select that and just is it done, isn't it? So it's done what a time. Okay, after that URL and the week also. Okay, let me put it that URL type. Control S save. Now see we can put our URL whatever we have, like we are putting to the HTTP, right? Isn't it? HTTPS, right? After a slash and what is the URL we have, isn't it? So we can use that for the URL purpose. Okay, after that we have the week purpose. Okay, we are going over here and we can put into the week. Okay, now week. Okay, weeks. Now see, is it weeks are coming only? See, only the weeks are coming. 44 weeks. See, like that. So week system are coming. We can put the week system also, isn't it? So weeks. Okay. Now anything else? So this is the we have the lot of input types. And here we are completing our basics of HTML. To be honestly, if you can go to the in different websites, they are actually using a lot of input devices. They are using lot of input tags are there, then the website will be perfect. Okay, but this is just the basic I want to teach to you. Okay, I'm not covering all the HTML tags. We have internet a lot of different HTML tags. Okay, so this is just we are completing our HTML tags today. Okay,